Hi, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP with another 5-minute tip and trick. Recently I was working on my firmware, update firmware for one of my printers, and I was looking through configuration_advanced when I noticed this setting that was disabled, Meatpack G-code compression. So what I did was I decided to take a look at what this was, noticing too that it's an Octoprint plugin, so I decided to investigate it a little bit. And this is what I found. When I went over to the GitHub repository, it's a plugin and set of code to compress my G-code and basically double my effective data transfer rate. Why would I want to do this? Well, if I look through, do some quick Googling, you notice that some people experience quality changes between printing from the SD card versus printing from Octoprint, and that has to do with, again, the data transfer rate. So this image on the left is from an SD card, the image on the right is from Octoprint. And again, you can see the quality differences. Here's another example. Image on the left is through Octoprint, image on the right from SD card. And here's, again, a couple other ones and some different suggestions for how to combat this. Again, another example. Image on the left, SD, image on the right, Octoprint. So by enabling this feature in the firmware and then installing the plugin, you can basically, hopefully, eliminate those errors. Another interesting thing I noticed was this works well with Arc Welder, which I use. So it's something worth investigating. To use Meatpack, all you need to do is uncomment this code, these lines, save it, and compile your firmware and install. Now I've discovered that you activate Meatpack in the firmware, but you should make sure that the plugin is enabled over in your Octoprint, where you'll get connection errors. So basically, you're just going to go to Plugin Manager, search for Meatpack, and install it. Now I have it installed and I'm currently printing on this printer. It adds this handy little window here, and you'll notice that basically my compression ratio, I'm sending data, my effective rate is pretty much double of what the again it's sending the G-code much quicker due to the compression. My compression ratio again is over 50%. So it's worth giving a shot, particularly if you've noticed quality issues with Octoprint. And again, you can use it with Arc Weld. This is Mike from Minimal 3DP. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and post them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate your time. Thanks. Have a good day.